From this video, you will learn how to make $350 to $1,000 per day simply by clicking. And this can be done by anyone of any experience level, from anywhere on the planet, any gender, any age. It can be done with a website or without a website. You don't need a mailing list and you don't need social media following in order to start making money from today. First of all, I want to thank this channel, Easy Money Tactics, for their video that says earn $100 every day by clicking. Make Money Online 2022. I want to thank them for making this video because this video and its system perfectly works. It says 100% truth, but there is a limit in this system. And the limit is you will make money by clicking links, but it's not a predictable and scalable income in this system. The second part of the video tells you how to get the clicks without you clicking, but this system doesn't work. I will explain why it doesn't work in the later part of the video, and I will share our technique of making $128,212 in passive affiliate commissions, and I will tell you how you can implement and make money just like us. And if you combine our technique with this method, you will be able to earn predictable and scalable income online without breaking a sweat. This sounds good? So stay tuned till the end of the video because this system is step by step. It's all connected, and if you miss one section, then you might not be able to make money in this system. You can watch this video anytime you want, but don't go right now. Watch my video in full because I will also give you the summary of what this video is about. So let us begin. Before we begin, if you like our gesture of helping you learn how to make money online the easy way, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you are sharing with your friends and family. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients because of your gesture of sharing valuable information. Done? And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. In this screenshot you see there is one part I'm highlighting. This is the secret, not the secret. We will say control point. This is the one control point that will make you money. I will reveal that in the right time, but before that, let me show you our money secret. Our money secret, to be honest, is making videos and contents that help people with their questions they ask on the internet. And yes, for that we make videos just like this video. But unlike this video with cameras and microphones, we use our own artificial intelligence software Epic to make videos for our 20+ channels. The best of the best part, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description, go grab it. Without Epic, it's very hard for a beginner to make videos using cameras and microphones. And if you are allergic with cameras and microphones, or maybe you don't have expensive high quality cameras or high quality microphones, and that's why you never make videos, Epic is there for you. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes a script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game, intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance or maybe my kids and sometimes myself without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. We publish videos about the questions people ask on the internet. I will show you what kind of simple questions people ask, and it's not their fault. This is Uber Suggest, one of our most favorite keyword and customer and audience and competition research software. You can use this or any other software you want. I want to show you what people ask about YouTube, Gmail, and how to screenshot, which are like basic stuff on the internet and computer user. Every month, screenshot how to Windows, 301 searches. Screenshot how to take 165,000 searches. How YouTube pays 6,600 searches. When YouTube was created, 18,100 searches. All these information are already out there on YouTube, Google, everywhere. Am I right? Take this simple information, take screenshot, take text, rewrite them using Epic, make simple videos in 3 to 5 minutes of your time, publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and they will send you visitors for free. Now you might be asking, why am I talking about visitors? Because of this video. So let me tell you what this video is about. So this video says that there is another search engine. It's comparatively new and they are trying to get attention. And the name of this search engine is Entire Web. Go to Google and search with Entire Web and you will find all these links: Entire Web search engine, affiliate free search engine, Entire Web affiliate program, Entire Web services. Go to the affiliate section and you will find this page and they tell you that they will pay when every visitor clicks your affiliate link, you will get paid 20 cents per visitor. So for 10 clicks or visitors, you'll make $2. From 100 clicks, you'll make $20. From 1,000 clicks, you'll make $200. Super cool. There is no problem with that. And they will pay you via PayPal. So there is one limitation here. If your country doesn't allow PayPal for any reason, then you cannot use this method. But still, most of the countries allow PayPal. That's not the problem. The problem is a limitation in the second part of the video. In the second part, it says there is a website called Herculist. Herculist have their user base or users list. And if you subscribe to free account, gold account, pro account, you will be able to send out emails to their users. Now, here is the problem. Because it has a free service, a lot of people use this kind of service for spamming. And that is why this kind of systems or platforms don't much work. Most of their emails go to spam folder. So people never end up opening their emails, let alone clicking the links. And if they don't click your affiliate link, you will never make money. Now, if you are asking, hey Mosh, why do we need visitors and why we need clicks? This is the time we reveal this control point. And the control point of making all this money are hops or clicks. These are the clicks by our visitors on our affiliate links. And these clicks turn into sales and we make money. Now, can we connect the whole thing? Here is affiliate marketing. Here is your money. And between affiliate marketing and money, there are clicks. You need those clicks. So instead of depending on a system or platforms like Herculist that has a good intention of helping people, but they can't deliver because people abuse and turn their service into spam fest. You take control and make it completely scalable using Epic. So using Epic, you can make simple videos, and those videos will generate followers that will love you and follow you because you share good information, helpful and true information. So it's pretty simple. Tell the truth in your videos. No need fancy dancing, TikTok videos. Just tell the truth in your videos. Where Gmail contact list, how much YouTube pays, how YouTube count views, why Gmail not working, how many YouTube subscribers to make money. All these questions are already answered in thousands of websites. Learn those information, take those information, make simple videos, publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. You will get hundreds of thousands of views, clicks, and money. It starts with your clear and sincere intention of helping others with the questions they have, helping others by answering their questions using simple videos. Now finally, there is another way to get thousands of clicks and thousands of dollars in predictable income. Go and search with how to Google, like anything like that people are looking for, and find out the top articles. Simply take this article URL and put it into Maven. Maven is our artificial intelligence software. It turns other people's website and content into your website and your content without copyright infringement, without legal issues, without stealing, using artificial intelligence. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Now let me show you. PS4 controller is a super hot topic, so we thought, why not we make a blog post for ourselves using Maven, and let me show you how we made this awesome blog post in under 3 minutes. Let's make a PS4 controller blog post under 3 minutes. We are on my software Maven. First, click the add blog button. Copy the web address of the article we want to hijack. Paste it right here on Maven and click the create button. Add a blog title and then let's add a blog image. We're going to upload a new image from our hard drive. Select this image and click open, and the image is added. Now let's do some text editing. Select this text and make it bold. Then select this text and put it on center. To add an affiliate link, select this text, click this link button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. For an example, paste it right here. We want this to open in a new window. Done. Let's add some headlines. Select this text, turn it into headline type 3. And we can do as much text editing as we want. Once we are happy, just click the save button and our settings is saved. Now the full text is here, but this text is not ours. To make it ours, we need to rewrite it using artificial intelligence. And for that, we're gonna click this spinner button. This spinner will rewrite the content in the background. The job is done, so click save and the content is saved. We can always add more elements by clicking this plus button. Let's add a video. For that, we just need to copy the URL of the video and paste it right here and click add. And the video is added to the blog post instantly. We can add image from all different sources. Let's add one image from Pixabay. Search with the keyword in this box. Click the search button and all different options showed up. Just select one and immediately that image is added to the blog post. So easy. Just like that, we can add as many image, as many videos as we want. And once we are happy, click the save button and the blog post is saved. Now this section is totally optional. You can fill these informations in for search engine optimization purposes. When you are happy, click the publish now button or a publish later button to publish later. And you can click this view button anytime you want. It will take you to your brand new blog post and look at the awesome blog post that you have just created. So Awesome. Make your Maven page of this website. Go to Pinterest and search with Google Tips and hit a space, and you will find all these questions that people are searching on Pinterest. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Majority of the traffic are their own, and 1/4 of the traffic come from Google. So basically, just by going to Pinterest, click the create button, then click the create pin option, uploading your image, title, little bit about the pin, and your website link, or maybe your YouTube or TikTok or Instagram video link, wherever you want to send your traffic to. Put it here and click save. Now Pinterest will send you traffic, plus your links will be ranked, will be indexed and ranked on Google, and you'll get traffic from Google as well. Sounds awesome? It starts from Maven. Maven looks like this. This is the demo video. You just need to answer people's questions and make simple videos, simple websites off of other people's content. And that's it. Get clicks, make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. And our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. Learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we need you to like this video and share this video to send more visitors to us, so they also learn. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money, and you can do it too. Start today. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. We will see you in the next one.